go, and Don's ready to put the taters in the tub here. This is how we're going to cook our potatoes tonight. In this here boiling water. Hey, that looks good. Now what we're thinking is since it's boiling, it's probably hot enough to cook them there taters. See if you can get the taters up actually in the bubbling water so that it gets more circulation around the taters, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Will it fit in there? And some? Yeah, there you go. Now see, you got circulation of water on the potato. Yeah, there we go. On the bottom's good enough. Well, this is cooking hot spring style. Yeah, now we got good circulation onto the taters. There's your hot springs cook. Wave to the camera. We're going to try to eat hot springs cooked taters tonight. And this will be a first for both of us. Now that's cooking with hot. Geothermal power. First geothermal potatoes cooked. Mickey Hot Springs.